Oh, super hot. What's going on, everyone? What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? I'm just gonna wait a little bit till we have enough viewers. BNGO, my baby was going down today. More than at one point it was down like 3%. So I am back. I'm back. I'm back, baby. What's up, guys? What's up? I'm back. I'm back. Anytime I'm offline, BNGO goes down. Whenever I come online, it goes up. Oh my god, this is funny. This is funny. What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? Let me know, guys. If you can hear me, just use the comment section. BNGO SAPHYR is going crazy. I want to show you guys a lot of tweets that are related to the SAPHYR devices, okay? And I want us to count how many SAPHYR devices Bionano Genomics has successfully installed in the second quarter of this year. Because, I am invested in this company. I'm not just here to talk about blah, 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 how the price is going up and down and so on and so forth. I want to show you guys, the number, the fundamental analysis, what is going on with Bionano Genomics. Okay? What's going on, farms? What's up? BNGO, oh my God, 2.59% today. That's unbelievable. Unglaublich, like the German used to say. Unbelievable. Somebody is writing to me, guys. Bionano Genomics. What's going on, guys? I have like 5 viewers, but none of you guys are talking. Just use the comment section. Let me know who you are. Don't just come over here and spy, okay? Don't spy on me. It's super hot in Germany today, so I just threw my t-shirt away. I mean, it is too hot. So, guys, this is the message from Bionano Genomics today. BNGO, they are trying to tell you guys to, diamond hand. They are trying to tell you guys to hold your positions. That's what they are trying to tell you with this tweet. Hold your position. Osman, what's up? Can you verify if it's true? The Athens news. If it's legit, can you verify if it is true? Is there an article? So that's why I came online, okay? Normally I'm supposed to be at work right now, but somehow they sent everybody home. I guess it's because it's too hot. So, the Athens news. So, the Athens news. MOM Brandon. What's up, brother? How is it going? How is it going? I just got online. I want to talk about Brandon. Now that you are here, I want to talk about the SAPHYR devices. We have a lot of SAPHYR devices installed. We have a lot of buyers of SAPHYR device in the second quarter, and I want us to count because if we don't count, then we have to wait till Bionano Genomics reports their earnings for the second quarter of this year before we can know how many SAPHYR devices they have successfully installed. Because according to their report from the first quarter, they have successfully they installed about 11 SAPHYR devices in the first quarter of this year. Okay, so we need to we have to do the due diligence ourselves and see how many SAPHYR devices they have managed to install so far due to what we are able to find online. SAPHYR first quarter. I need to go to the earnings financials first quarter 2021. So BNGO Bionano Genomics, you guys can see it right here. They installed about 11 SAPHYRs in the first quarter of this year. 11 SAPHYRs. Okay. Osman. So the article you're talking about, the Athens news, is legit. Could you please tell me more about that news you're talking about, Usman? Because there are tons of news out there, about Bionano Genomics. So I need to be super sure before I dive into it. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investments. Let's talk about Bionano Genomics. I came home because of you guys. Okay, I came home. I left my work because of you guys. Let's talk about Bionano Genomics. What is going on with this stock? I want to talk about the SAPHYR devices in this live stream. Let's talk about SAPHYR devices. Let's see how many SAPHYR Bionano Genomics has been able to install. Okay, if you guys, if you remember, I told you guys that this right here, this line is going to hold, in my opinion. So this price right here, what is happening today? This is the daily candlestick. What is happening today? What we are experiencing today, in my opinion, any dip is a buy, in my opinion. I am broke, okay? I am completely broke. I'm not going to open a new position, but in my opinion, any dip is a buy, okay? Not a financial advice. Don't sue me, bro. This is just for educational purpose. Don't take me too serious. So in my opinion, if I want to open another position in BNGO, I would have opened it straight away at this level. Look at that. At this level. This $8 level. We got to $8. We even got below $8 at one point. I don't think this is correct, guys. I have to be sure that this is correct because Yahoo Finance is messing with me. They are messing with me. So this dip right here, I'm going to switch back to the 1 hour candlestick. This right here is a buy zone for me. This is a buy zone for me because whenever the price is, further away from the 21 moving average, I don't buy. But whenever the price retraces and touch it, just like here, for example, it almost touched it, open a buy position, and right here, another buy position. So let's switch over to the 15-minute chart. Guys, in this video, I want to talk about the SAPHYR adoption. Let's do it. Yes, Grace is legit. Joe Butler retweeted it to prove it. So I'm still gonna talk about Joe Butler. He retweeted. I don't know if you guys are talking. I don't know what you guys are talking about because I have Athens. So this is what you're talking about. This is the news you're talking about from Athens. This news dropped today. The SAPHYR devices. So I'm gonna dive into it, and I have a lot of time today, so I'm going to dive into this news, and we can see who are these people, for example, who are they, and what they are doing with the SAPHYR device. You guys can see the MSEC. This is MSEC. For those of you that have no idea what MSEC is, let me take you back to my BNGO Bible. We are going to go under Illumina. Look at this, guys. This is MISEC, MSEC, MISEC. You guys can see it right here, MSEC. This device is from Illumina. So this device right here is from Illumina. And this is Novasec 600 or Novasec 500. Novasec, this is Novasec, but I think it's 500. So this is also from Illumina. This Novasec right here is also from Illumina. So these guys are possibly using Illumina and Bionano Genomics, okay, to check the structural variations of whatever it is they are using it to do. So this device behind this gentleman, let me see if I have it in my due diligence. Illumina. This is Illumina. This is I have to confirm once again. Okay, that's not Illumina. That is not Illumina. So let me take a look at Corium controller, 10x Genomics. What device is that, guys? This looks like nanostring. It looks like nanostring. This looks like nanostring. This looks like nanostring. I can't really see it clearly. So this is not Illumina, but this device right here is Illumina, and this one is also Illumina. And of course, we have the SAPHYR device behind this lady right here. We have the SAPHYR device behind this lady. So this laboratory, they are probably using Illumina to check the short read sequencing, and they are using the Bionano Genomics for structural variation, long read optical genome mapping. More or less what Praxis Genomics are doing, because Praxis Genomics, they use Illumina and they use Bionano Genomics SAPHYR. They don't use Pac Bio, okay? Praxis Genomics don't use Pac Bio. What's going on, guys? MOM is one of the the biggest BNGO bull out there. You guys should follow MOM on Twitter. You guys should follow MOM on Twitter, okay? MOM, let me show you guys his Twitter page. This is one of the craziest BNGO bull out there, okay? MOM. You guys have to follow my brother on Twitter, or you can find him on stock tweets. You guys can see it right here. Messenger of Moist Vile. He has about 502 followers on Twitter, and he would love to have more followers than Pac Bio. Let me just a second, guys. MOM. I want to bring MOM up on Twitter because MOM, he has 500 followers on Twitter. So MOM, let's take a look at Pac Bio CEO on Twitter. Pac Bio CEO. I want to show you guys something, okay? What's the name of Pac Bio CEO? I even forgot. Oh my god. Pac Bio CEO. Can you imagine? So his name is Christian Henry. I can't even believe I don't even know the name of the CEO of Pacific Biosciences of California, guys. That is crazy. So CEO of Pac Bio on, oh my god, this is crazy. This is crazy. CEO of Pac Bio on Twitter has about 556 followers. 556 followers, guys. CEO of Pacific Biosciences of California. Unbelievable. Oh my god, that's funny. That's funny. That is funny. I mean, how can a CEO of a company, a multi-billion US dollars company, how can he has 556 followers on Twitter? I mean, what? I don't get it. Take a look at Elon Musk, for example, okay? Let's even leave Bionano Genomics CEO out of this. Elon Musk, in my opinion, is the best CEO out there. That guy has millions of followers. He is connecting with everybody. He's connecting with his customers. He's connecting with his, employees. With his employees. He's connecting with his friends. He's connecting with his family. He's connecting with everybody. Anything that has to do with Tesla, you can easily go on Twitter and send a message to Elon Musk, and perhaps luckily he's going to respond to you. Okay, but if a CEO of a multi-billion US dollars company, is not using Twitter as he's supposed to be using it, just 556 followers, that is unbelievable. Let's take a look at Eric Omlin, the CEO of Bionano Genomics. So Dr. Eric has 3,248 followers on Twitter. Okay, and of course he's not talking much, but at least his presence is felt. Anytime he makes a tweet, everybody knows Eric is talking. Take a look at this. That is his last tweet from June 2nd, where he was talking about this article that says you can easily turn 10,000 US dollars and make $1 million US, by investing in, BNGO perhaps, or, because they were comparing BNGO to Illumina. So Eric, whenever he comes on board, you guys can see 184 likes, for example, retweets, comments, but, Pac Bio, CEO, nobody knows who this person is. I have only 4, 5, 6. So I have only 6 others, some people that I follow, okay, followed by these guys. I follow these guys, so 6 of them are following the CEO of Pac Bio. I'm not even following the CEO of Pac Bio because I really don't know what this guy, why I should follow this guy. I don't know. Short read sequencing, long read, yeah. So guys, please go and follow Messenger MOM. Go and follow MOM on Twitter, guys. We are trying to get MOM. Brandon, we are trying to get MOM more followers than the CEO of Pac Bio. That is the mission. We want him to have more followers than the CEO of Pac Bio. Christian Henry, this is super, super funny. So, like we were saying, this laboratory, they are using Illumina. This is the MySec, and this is the NovaSec 500 Illumina. I haven't seen NovaSec 500 Illumina. Never seen that before. All I know so far is the NovaSec 6000. NovaSec 6. So this is NovaSec 550. NovaSec 550. Because the picture is not completely clear. There is a possibility that this is NovaSec 550. Okay, so this is NovaSec 500. So this laboratory, they are using NovaSec 500. And of course, there is 550 as well. Illumina is always, upgrading their devices. That's why Illumina is very, very competitive in the sequencing industry. NovaSec. So this is the toolkit for NovaSec, but look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Look how many NovaSec reagent kits Illumina has. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Illumina is a multi-billion US dollars company, and they are one of the whales in this sector, this genomic sector. So look at that. 100 cycles, 200 cycles, 300 cycles, 500 cycles. Whoa. Bionano Genomics, I don't think we have as much as this. So I mean, that's where hopefully we are still heading towards. Okay. Mel Brown, what's up, brother? What's up? I'm back. I'm home, baby. I am home. BNGO press action. Okay, we are going to be talking about the SAPHYR devices, because I mean, if you are, I believe most of my subscribers are long-term investors. They are not day traders. So that's why I love, maybe it's, maybe this is how I am. I love talking. I want you guys to learn something. Okay, I want you to learn something about Bionano Genomics, something about what they are doing. The SAPHYR devices, for example, is what we are going to be discussing mostly in this video. So I want you guys to learn a lot of things about BNGO. I would love to keep sharing my own, the little I know about Bionano Genomics. I would love to keep sharing it with you guys, so that whenever somebody asks you, for example, maybe your friend or your family member just ask you, hey Mel, what's up, what is Bionano Genomics, what are they doing? So you'll be able to tell them, okay, this is BNGO, this is what they do. They invented the SAPHYR devices, and no other technology out there is able to do what the SAPHYR device is able to do, blah, 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 blah. So that's why I prefer to, talk about the fundamental analysis most of the time. So let's continue, guys. So this right here is the nanostring device. So let's continue. So today we saw a tweet from this person, East Star Takat. I can't even pronounce that name. I can't pronounce that name. So I'm going to quote the guy. The first Bionano Genomics SAPHYR in Athens is now ready to serve. Installation and training completed. Do you see those beautiful molecules being imaged? Welcome Genotypo Science Labs team to our user farm. So this is what they are doing. You guys can see the sample right here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful SAPHYR device. And of course, my boys are all over it. They are all over it. Even Brandon, 1 hour ago, can you link to original source? Brandon is looking for the original source, guys. It's super hot in Germany today. super hot. So I don't know why Brandon is looking for original source. That is a little bit komisch, like we would say in German. That is strange. So this person is the person that shared it. You guys can, if you go to the Twitter profile, you can see Life Sciences Business Manager. Okay. Amateur photographer, professional daydreamer, space geek, tweeting about genomics, molecular DX, and some opinions are my own. So let's take a look at because Brandon seems to not trust this source. Let's take a look at the LinkedIn profile of this lady. So this lady is regional business manager, Benelux and Southern Europe at Bionano Genomics. Whoa, okay. This lady somehow works for Bionano Genomics, guys. So if you are still looking for confirmation, maybe you guys should just tell Brandon, if he's looking for confirmation, I think he needs to dig a little bit deeper. This lady is the regional business manager, okay? Benelux and Southern Europe at Bionano Genomics. I don't know where is Benelux and Southern Europe. I need to check where Benelux is. Benelux. Okay, Benelux, also known as simply Benelux, is a political economic union and former international Belgium. Okay, so this is a country that is between Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg. Benelux. So you guys can easily, if you click on the picture, so this is where Benelux is located. This is where it's located. I like to make a little bit research, not just this where Benelux is located. So this lady is right here. The lady is right here, working for Bionano Genomics. Okay, so that news is more or less a fact. You don't need to doubt your vibes. That news is from a lady that works for Bionano Genomics. She is representing BNGO in Benelux and Southern Europe. So I believe this news is a strong one. Let's take a little bit look at her profile. Mutual connections and I want to take a look at what she has done previously. No. What's this? What is this? 1 week ago, another 2 examples of how optical genome mapping. Okay, we already saw this news. We saw that news already. So SAPHYR and Bionano take some place time, blah 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 blah. So this lady works at Bionano Genomics. Whoa, she has been working for BNGO since 2 years, guys. 2 years, 10 months. So almost 3 years she has been working for Bionano Genomics. And she has been the regional business manager at Benelux and Southern Europe since 1 year, 3 months, since April 2020, since last year. That, I think she got promoted. So she was the regional business manager for France and Benelux. And from 2018 to 2020, then she got promoted somehow, I think, from from March 2020, from April 2020, she got promoted to regional business manager, Benelux and Southern Europe, or she got, transferred to this area. So, account manager, USA, business manager, marketing manager, blah blah blah, postdoctoral research fellow. So she's a doctor, she has a doctorate degree. And so that's all you guys need to know. I mean, this is fact, because somebody asked me, Usman was asking me this question, if this is legit news. So guys, you have your answer. Okay, you have your answer. Bionano, yeah, Joe Butler represents Bionano in UK. So this lady is representing Bionano in Benelux. Whoa, I just made a new digging, guys. This is a new due diligence. So that is the fourth. Oh my god, I just closed it. Okay, this is it. So what I want to do in this video is I want us to count how many SAPHYR devices Bionano Genomics has successfully installed so far in the second quarter. Okay, because you guys can, like I already said, BNGO installed 11 SAPHYR devices in the first quarter. So this is the first one, guys. This is the first one. This was shared by Shane McKee, McKee. And this was shared on May 26, 2021. This is the first page. This is the first SAPHYR we have in the second quarter of 2021. Oh, look, we are putting our new Bionano Genomics machine through its paces. and locked and loaded and ready to analyze genomes for structural variants. Sapphire, so good. So this is the first device. Let me take, I need to take my pen. I need to write it down, okay? Because I want us to analyze how many Sapphire devices Bionano Genomics has installed so far. So we have one. This is the first one. And of course, I'm still going to dig deeper to let you guys know who installed this Sapphire, who are these people, and so on and so forth. So that's the first one. Now, this is the second one from MGZ Medical Genetics Center in Munich. This is the second one in Germany, okay, in München. This is the second one in Germany, shared by Joe Butler on the 27th of May 2021. 27. So that makes it 2, okay? Now, this is the third one. This was shared today, 4:31 p.m. Just like what time is it right now? 7 p.m. So it's like 3 hours ago, almost 3 hours ago. So this one is in Athens and in Greece. So this is the third one. Okay, let's continue. Now, this is the fourth one, guys. This is the fourth one. The first Bionano Genomics Sapphire installed in Cyprus. Europe is going crazy about Bionano Genomics. Europe is going crazy. So this is the fourth one, guys. The fourth one. I'm still going to be digging deeper and letting you guys know more about, all these laboratories that are installing the Sapphire devices. Yes, guys, please, if you are watching this video right now, drop a like. I mean, I took my t-shirt off for you guys. It is super hot. I'm supposed to be outside licking ice cream or making a grill, chilling out. The weather is beautiful. It is sunny in Germany. It is sunny right now in my city. I should be outside licking ice cream, but here I am, talking about Bionano Genomics. I'm not even day trading because I am diamond hand. I don't even care about the price of BNGO right now. Right now, the stock price is 8.10 US dollars. I don't care about the stock price right now. So, so guys, please drop a like, and if this is your first time on this channel, please click on the notification bell after you subscribe so that I can let you guys know what's going on with Bionano Genomics. So let's continue. We are on the fourth one. So this is the fourth Sapphire device installed this quarter. I'm talking about the second quarter of 2021, guys. I'm not talking about the first quarter. I'm talking about the second quarter. We have to analyze by ourselves since BNGO is not telling us the numbers of sapphires that they have installed so far. That's why Dayo is here to let you guys know how many sapphire devices we have running right now. And I want you guys to remember that it cost about 450 US dollars to analyze one human genome, okay? 450 US dollars. So if we have, for example, and one Sapphire device is able to analyze about 96 human genomes per week, okay, and one Sapphire device is able to analyze about 5,000, almost 5,000 human genomes per year. So one Sapphire device equals to about 5,000 human genomes per year if these laboratories are getting a lot of patients, okay. If they are using it, let's say the Sapphire device is running 247 1 week, 96 human genomes. Now let me grab my calculator and do some very quick mathematics for you guys, okay. Let's do a quick mathematics. So 450 per genome per analysis, okay, 450 US dollars. Now, if you multiply that by 96, okay, per week, that is 43,000 US dollars. One Sapphire device per week, 43,000 US dollars, okay? Now, if you go back and, multiply 450, US dollars per genome, per human genome, and you multiply it by 5,000, let's say 1 year. Let's say the Sapphire device is running for complete 1 year. One Sapphire device, guys, that is 2.2 million US dollars. One Sapphire device, 2.2 million US dollars. So now, if Bionano Genomics in the first quarter of this year, if they have managed to install about 107 Sapphire devices, I mean, I'm not saying this. I'm just, we have everything. Let me show you guys. Everything is available. You can just go to my how many Sapphire devices? Where do I have that number? Where is the number? 107. All right, so 107 sapphire devices. I can't really find it right now, guys. I'm sorry. 107 sapphire devices in the first quarter. You know, right now, according to the report from the first quarter, we have about 107 sapphire devices that was running in the first quarter. So let's take a look at that. 107 times 450. You know, that's going to give us about 450 times 107. What am I saying, guys? What the hell am I saying? 450 US dollars, multiplied by 5,000 per year. That is going to give us 2.2 million US dollars times 107. That is 240 million US dollars. So if Bionano Genomics keep pushing, if they keep pushing, keep installing more sapphire devices out there, and that is going to, and the sapphire devices are running 247. That is 240 million US dollars, guys. We are talking about revenue. This what's going on, everyone? What's up, everyone? If you are watching this right now, please use the comment section. Let me know what you guys are doing. WSB, don't mind WSB. They are just dulling us, guys. WSB is they are dulling us. They are dulling BNGO. We are supposed to be mooning right now, but they don't want to jump on board Bionano Genomics. So let's continue, guys. Let's continue. So we are on the fourth one. This is the fourth sapphire device, and so this one was tweeted about like 3 hours ago, and you guys can see my boys Michael J. Michael J is all over it. So this is the sample of what let me see if I can find anything around here. Nothing. I can't find any. It looks like these guys are using the sapphire device, and I think they are using only the sapphire device here. Perhaps there is some other devices in this laboratory, but so far, if you compare it with what we are seeing so far here, this laboratory is using the Illumina device and the Bionano Genomics sapphire device, but this laboratory seems to be using only the sapphire device. All right, let's continue. So this is the fifth one, guys. This right here is the fifth one. Okay, this is the fifth one. So now we have 5 sapphire devices in 2021, the second quarter. Don't forget, in the first quarter, Bionano Genomics installed 11 sapphire devices. Okay, so now in the second quarter, I am able to gather about 5 devices so far. And this laboratory seems to be using only the sapphire device as well. I don't know what is here. This looks like a computer to me. It's not looking like a sapphire device. I think this is a computer. So this is another laboratory using the sapphire device in Europe, guys. In Europe, I think. Wait a minute. Another Bionano Genomics sapphire is ready to make new discoveries in the hands of a fantastic team at the University of Bari. Okay, this is Barry Benvetti. Guys, I am sorry, but I don't know where Barry is. I need to check. I need to ask Uncle Google where Barry is. I don't know where Barry is, guys. Barry. I don't know where Barry is. So Bari is a port city on the Adriatic Sea and the capital city, Italy. So it's Europe, Italy. So this is Europe. This is Italy, guys. This is another one in Europe. Bionano Genomics is going crazy in Europe. So this is the fifth one in Europe. This is in Italy, in Bari, Italy. And let's continue. So this right here is the sixth one. You guys can easily see. I mean, I can go deep and show you guys the proof that these are real Bionano Genomics sapphire device being used by real laboratories out there. Okay, so outstanding deployed width, 5 GB genome assembly, Pac Bio i5 plus optical map using in-house DNA extract protocol, OMAP, blah 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 blah. So this is another laboratory. This is the CNRGV provides innovative and efficient genomic tools to better analyze plant genome. So you guys can see some of my boys are following them. Even Brandon is also following them. The full bull is following them. So CNRGV, this is another sapphire device. This tweet came in June 2nd. You guys can see it right here, June 2nd, 2021. So I can't really confirm if this is a new adoption, but to me, it looks like this is another adoption of the sapphire device. So I'm going to put 6 on my note. So now we have counted 6 sapphire devices so far. Okay, this is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one. Okay, now this tweet, this one is from the first quarter of this year. This is from Whitewood Scientific. Whitewood Scientific is a leading supplier of quality scientific research products, providing solutions for your research needs. So this Whitewood Scientific, they are more or less, more, they are in South Africa. Okay, this is the first, this look at this, guys, the first sapphire optical genome mapping system in Africa. In Africa. So Whitehead Scientific, I think I know this name. Wait a minute. I think I know Whitehead Scientific. For sure, I have read about them somewhere, and I'm going to prove it to you guys. If you go to BNGO website, I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I mean, this is what I do every day, guys. If you go to BNGO website, you go to product and services, certified service provider. Just a second, guys. I am going to dig it out. I will dig it out. Certified service provider. Distributors. This, you see, I told you, Whitehead Scientific Ltd. I know I've read about it somewhere. So this is Whitehead Scientific, was founded in 1988 and supplies quality life science consumables and instrumentation to research laboratories at universities, hospitals, veterinary facilities, so as well as biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies throughout Africa. So this company, this Whitehead Scientific Limited, what they are doing is, they supply biotechnology products. So they are also representing Bionano Genomics in Africa. Okay, Whitehead Scientific strives to provide the most effective solutions for molecular biology, immunology research, molecular diagnostics, liquid handling, and laboratory instrumentation. So this is what they do. I told you guys, I mean, Whitehead Scientific, this is what I do every day. So this is their website. You can see their product. Oh, look at that, guys. The first sapphire optical genome mapping system in Africa. That's the first thing on their page. This is the first thing on their website. You can see the sapphire device, the monitor, and the Bionano chip. So they are not only selling products from Bionano, but somehow BNGO is the first thing on their website. That's the first product on their website. Let's take a look if they have some other products on their website. Bionano Genomics, they have only this BNGO picture on their website. If you go down, you can see their brands. There is I think I just saw Thermo Fisher. Thermo Fisher is you see Thermo Fisher Scientific is there. Let me see if I can find some other Nest is also there. So these are some of the brands, the products they are selling. So this is good news. I mean, Bionano Genomics, look at that, Bionano Genomics. So they are representing BNGO. They are helping us to sell the sapphire device in Africa. Okay, in Africa. This is very good. This is very good. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go back, not to get distracted. So this is the Okay. So this is the sixth one, guys. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is this. I'm not gonna say this is the seventh one, but this tweet, this. I need to dig deeper. I can't call this the seventh one. I need to dig deeper. All right. So this is from March 19, 2021, but we can't count this one. This is from La Nostra United, the microarray squad. Oh my God. I think this is French language. Our microarray unit coordinated by Atsole Kiko and Mamalo, a pioneer in high resolution karyotyping with the new One Bionano Genomics Sapphire optical genome mapping. This solution allows you to discover chromosomal, numerical, and structural alterations like never before. So this laboratory out there, you can see this sapphire device. There is no other devices here, only the sapphire device. And you can see these beautiful ladies, this beautiful scientific, and I think this is also a lady. So they are posing next to this Sapphire device. Sapphire device is more or less like Tesla Model 3 or Model Y or even the Roadster. A lot of scientists want to post next to this device and tweet about it. You know, they want to share it with the world on Twitter. Oh, look at that. March 9th. I didn't even know I gave a comment to this. I just featured you guys in my next video. This is a great. Oh, so I made a video about them. I made a video about them on March 19th. Guys, I made a video about this on March 19th. You guys can easily see my tweet. Unfortunately, I didn't, tag the link to the video. So I wrote about them on March 19th. And I think Joseph Carreras Leukemia Research Institution, I think I spoke about what they are doing with the device. International Research Institute that pursues to study and eradicate leukemia, lymphoma, and other hemophaties. I think I spoke about what they are using the sapphire to do in that video. Guys, I have made a lot of videos. I can't even remember how many videos I have out there. So let's continue, guys. Let's continue. So this, I'm not gonna count this, and of course this is the tweet from Bionano Genomics a few hours ago talking about apes, which of course in my opinion means you should ape. You have to hold your position. So I have so far counted 6 sapphire devices so far that we can find on Twitter, on the internet. And don't forget, most of all these laboratories, they don't go on Twitter and share what they are doing. Only few of them go on Twitter and share picture with us about what they are doing with the sapphire device. So in the first quarter of 2021, we managed to install about 11 sapphire devices, and so far right now I have 6 sapphire devices. 6 sapphire devices that I can find on Twitter. So of course that's the title of this video. I mean that's why I am live right now to talk about the sapphire devices, laboratories that are using the sapphire devices out there. And you guys can easily see the beautiful picture, these beautiful ladies and gentlemen. You can see the lady and the gentleman, and this laboratory is using sapphire with Illumina. They are using it with Illumina. But she didn't, I would prefer if she, wrote the name of the laboratory so that I can dig deeper and find out more about what they are doing with the sapphire device, what kind of laboratory it is. If they are using it to analyze human genomes, or if they are using it to analyze plants, or if it's, just for the animals. So, but I cannot find. So this lady, how come I'm not following this lady? This is unbelievable. I should be following this lady. No way I'm not following this lady. So she is tweeting a lot about, the sapphire devices adoption in Europe, because she is the one representing Bionano Genomics in Southern Europe, and in that, that country I just mentioned to you guys. She's posting a lot of photos. Whoa, this also from her. I didn't know this also. She was also posting about this. And this is another one from March. You can see this from March, this 5 gentlemen and 2 ladies posing next to the sapphire device. And this right here is these are the what is it called? Oh my god, not the consumables, the kit. These are the kits. This is the kit, like the tube where you put your sample and you put it into the, you pass it into the sapphire chip. So let's continue and see what else she is tweeting about. Perhaps we are going to find more sapphire device users from Europe. So nothing. So right now, we are starting to see the sapphire device, turning into some kind of celebrity product, whereby laboratories are posing next to it to take pictures of with the device. So that's all I want to share with you guys about the sapphire device, and I think that is where we are going to end this video. This video is not about technical analysis. It's purely about the sapphire device. So guys, before I end this live stream, if you have any question, please drop it. I need to go and get something to eat. I need to put food in my stomach, then I can come back and talk about the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics, because right now we are down about 2.77%. And hopefully, I have to analyze what is going on with the market. I need to read what's going on with the market, because I just got back from work. I need to read what's going on with the market and why the price is going down. Perhaps something is affecting the market or not. Let me even take a look at what's going on with BlackBerry is down. CCIV is more or less neutral. GameStop is up about 4.85%. I think GameStop is going to report their earnings. They are going to report, I think, the first quarter of 2021 earnings today, once the market closes, or tomorrow. I'm not really sure, but I am sure, after the markets close or before the markets open tomorrow, we are going to get the numbers from GME. So WSB, I mean, right now, those boys, for sure, if you go on Wall Street bets right now on Reddit, for sure it's getting hot. They will be talking about, let's even take a look at what they are. I mean, I don't need to just blah 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 about it. Let's go to Reddit and take a look at what these guys are talking about. I'm talking about the earnings of Wall Street bet. Let's take a look at what they are talking about, because GME is going to report earning. GME first quarter earnings mega trend. So you guys can see GME is going to report their earnings, because the reason why we have to also talk about GME is, all these meme stocks are affecting most growth stocks. They are affecting most what is it called? They are affecting BNGO somehow, one way or the other. Since January, since this GameStops, this AMC, all these short squeeze of a thing started, they are affecting a lot of stocks out there. So most of the time, retail traders and institutional investors, they are just pouring their money into one stock. Like we saw AMC, I think on Monday or so, AMC went up like 50% or so, or 100% even. So they are somehow, that's why we have to follow what is going on with all these GME, all these meme stocks, okay? And that's why I don't want Bionano Genomics to become a meme stock, because if we become a meme stock, it's going to be another story entirely. It's not going to be based on fundamentals anymore. It's not going to be based on, how many SAPHYR devices we have managed to install. It's just going to be based on, more or less short squeeze and, YOLOing and gambling and so on and so forth, without resistance, without support, So it's really a difficult thing. Of course, if we go up, I'm going to make money from it. Of course, I know how to, trade technical analysis, but most of us, that don't have time to follow the markets 24/7. Most of us we are just going to, buy high and sell low. Now, this is the GME first quarter earnings mega trend on Wall Street bet. You guys can, if you go on, Wall Street bet, the only thing they talk about is, all this GME. I believe that's why Bionano Genomics is not, it was trending on Monday. Bionano Genomics was like number 5 on Wall Street bet. I believe that's why we, came down from Wall Street bet, and they started to block anything BNGO related. So you guys can see they're just gonna be talking about, CLOV, AMC, BB, all these BlackBerry and so on and so forth. So I mean, that's just it. I don't see anything else to talk about the Wall Street bet. So let me go back. Back. So BNGO, this so we have GME is up about 4.5%, and I'm going to maximize this a bit. GME is up about 4.5%, and Bitcoin is rallying, guys. I mean, I was at work. I don't know why Bitcoin is rallying. I still need to catch up about, I need to catch up with what is going on with the markets. CLOV is down 13.5%. Virgin Galactic is down 3%. NEO is down. BIIB, I don't know what is this BIIB. Illumina is more or less neutral. Ford is down a little bit. Tesla is not going anywhere, $600. And General Motors and so on and so this right here, these are the trending tickers today. We have WISH, WISH, we have AEMD, we have CLNE and GEO and Tilray. Tilray is a weed stock. They are selling all these weed related, marijuana related products. So they are up about 10.9%. I used to follow them closely, but right now I stopped following them. So yeah, so BNGO is more or less consolidating around this level. Okay, around this level, I don't expect I was expecting us to at least be in this $8.5 level, but as you guys can see, technically speaking, I mean the market is still open. We still have about 3.5 hours or so before the market closes, and so far, when I was making video today, I told you guys that the pre-market was BNGO was trading at one point at 8.60 something US dollars. This, I think, around this level at one point pre-market. I told you guys that somehow the market is messing with us. Pre-market is always super green, only to once the market opens, what you see next is the price of the stock comes down. That is the same thing we saw yesterday. We opened around $9 yesterday. We went up to $9.10, and what happened? We came down massively. We came down to $7.63 at one point, and then we retraced a little bit. So that's what we are seeing so far. So hopefully this trend is going to consolidate around this level. This is the 1 hour candlestick. We are going to consolidate around this level, and then we can continue going higher. If this moving average right here gives up, okay, if this moving average gives, so far I don't see anything bearish so far. What I'm seeing so far is still bullish. It's more or less consolidation. Okay, so if anything happens and the price keeps goes down, then it means we are going to cover this gap right here. We opened this gap from Friday. This is where we were on Friday. This is where we open on Monday. So there is a gap right here on the 1 hour candlestick, of course. But if you switch over to the dailies, okay, this is where the show is. If we switch over to the dailies, like I told you guys, I expect us to consolidate around this level. It may take till like Friday, like I already told you guys, because my price target from last week Friday was $7.5. So we are more or less above my price target for this week. Okay, for this week we are above my price target. So nothing really, I mean, I'm not really, nothing wow, nothing bad going on. Everything is more or less normal to me. And you guys have to always remember, we are all here for the next 5 years. I mean, we are not here to get rich quick. I'm not, if I get rich quick, I mean, I don't mind getting rich quick, but I always try to keep it, I always try to remain conservative with my prediction and my expectations. So I am here for the next 5 years, and my price target remains $100. So I'm not in a hurry. I believe if you guys saw my video that I made today and yesterday, I told you guys that I expect a consolidation on the daily candlestick. I am expecting a consolidation around this level, upward, but not at $8. I expect us to move at least between this $8.35 and this $8.62. That is why I expect us to consolidate for a while before we break up, okay, before we break to the upside. But if you zoom, you can easily see the trend is still bullish. It is still bullish. Like I always tell you guys, it doesn't matter the color of the candlestick. The important thing is we need to be going higher. So if we see a green candle, red candle, red candle, red, green candle, red, green candle, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's what we should be expecting. That's what we want to see, not just a green. Of course, if we see green, it's also very nice. I would take it. Okay, so yeah. So what's going on, guys? Nitin Joshi, what's going on? You only have 12 people watching. That could fit in my but yeah, whatever. Pete's bike. I mean, if you want to start your own live stream, you can easily start it. Perhaps you're going to have 1,000 viewers, but who cares? So I am just here to share my own what I am doing with other investors. So if what you are able to do is come here and talk negative, then feel free. So that's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Just want to talk about the SAPHYR adoption. You guys can easily see the SAPHYR adoption, the laboratories that are adopting the SAPHYR devices, Europe and so on and so forth. So let me put you in a timeout. 5-minute timeout. Pete bike. If you have any question, please drop it. If not, I'm just going to keep watching the candlestick and doing my own thing. And I think that's where I'm going to end this video. I'm going to come back live and we can continue the normal daily activity. First, I have to end this video because this is about Sapphire device. Then we can continue. So guys, please remember, go and follow MOM Genomics. Go and follow this guy. Follow this guy on Twitter. MOM. Follow him on Twitter. We are trying to get him more followers than the Pacific Bioscience of California CEO. We are trying to get him more followers on Twitter. So that is it, guys. I'm going to catch you guys in the next live stream. Bye bye.